Hello, how's everybody doing today? This is Zach Geisler with another Revit tutorial. Today I'm going to be talking about roofs. So I just finished my floor one, so I feel like the next video that I should make is of a roof. So I'm going to be doing 3 separate videos about 3 different types of roofs. As you can see here in my on my Revit model, I have 3 different buildings that are pretty much the same. This first one has more stuff in it. That's the one I've been working on. So then I just copied and pasted 2 other buildings here, and underneath them you can see what type of roof I'm going to be building on them. So this one I'm going to have a gable. This middle one I'm going to have a hip roof on, and this last one I'm going to have a shed roof on. So these are the 3 most common roof types. I feel like, and the great thing about Revit is like I've said before, there's multiple different ways you can do things in Revit, and it's pretty simple and pretty easy. So we'll just jump right into it. Okay, on the architecture tab, you can see right next to where there's fourth, there's roof, and there's multiple different types of roof by footprint, extrusion, by face. Then you get down here and you go roof to soffit, roof to fascia, and roof to gutter. I'm just going to worry about the first one, roof by footprint, because this is the simplest one and the most common to use. So I'm going to go over here. I would like to have my roof on the level 2. Yes, so that's just telling me that you can't build a roof on level 1. You have to do it on your higher level. So I'm going to hit yes. So this is going to be, as you can see, you have your basic roof here. You can have, these are the ones that that Revit comes pre-installed, and so you can see here that I'm just going to keep it on the generic 12. You know what? I changed my mind. I'm going to go to the asphalt shingle because I like having finishes on it. Okay, so the first thing over here that's important to know is the overhang. You usually want to overhang on your building. So I'm going to add I'm going to do a 15-inch overhang. I think that's a pretty good overhang. So sorry I covered that up, but yeah, I just typed in 15 inches, which is 1 foot and 3 inches overhang. So you want it on your base level, which is level 2. You don't want it on level 1 because you can't build a roof on the ground. You need to build it on something. Rebounding, cutoff level, and something that's kind of cool is they have different types of Raptor cuts. So you can do the plumb cut, the 2-cut plumb, the 2-cut square. I'm just going to keep it on plumb cut, but I can go back and show later what all those different types of cuts are. So back up here in the modify, create roof footprint section, like I said, I'm creating a gable roof. So the most and easiest way to do it is to use this pick walls tool. So I'm going to come over here to my gable project. I'm going to hit it, and when you select a wall, you can see, because we have the overhang on it, it's going to put it a little farther out. So you're going to select that wall, and where the blue line is, that's where it's going to create the wall. So if you click on that, I'm going to just go around and click all these walls. Boom, 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 like that. They're all connected, all great. Now, an issue that we do have here is that each of these 4 lines are saying that they're going to have slope in them. And to create a gable roof, you're going to want your slope on the sides of the building here, because you want them to go up to the point like the gable does. So let's see. So what you do is you want to go and you want to be done clicking that. So you want to hit escape so you can select the walls. You want to select your end walls, which is this. So I selected this, that you can see that because it's in blue. I'm going to hit define slope, and I'm going to uncheck that. You can see that slope got away. I'm going to do the same thing for this one up here. Okay, so there we go. So if we hit this this green check mark, we should have a good looking roof. Okay, we can't see anything, but you go to the 3D, go over here, boom, you get a nice looking gable roof. Pretty steep pitch, but the walls aren't attached. So another cool thing about Revit is it makes it easy for you. So hit this wall, you click on that wall and you see that comes up with this this little modify section here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the top attach top base here. I'm going to click that. It's going to ask what do you want it to attach it to. I'm going to say the roof. So you hit that and it shoots it all the way up to the top of the roof. And I'm going to spin it around and go do that on the other side. Okay, so there we go. I'm going to click on this wall that I have here, attach top to base, click that, boom, we got a nice looking wall. But I just realized I don't like that slope. That's a pretty steep slope, 9/12 pitch. It's pretty heavy. So what I do is I click on the roof. I say, you know what? I want more of a 6/12. So you hit here, you see 6. You enter. That's all you got to do. It automatically changes to 6/12, and it just takes a second, and then to adjust that. But then boom, you got a nice. And I like that slope a lot better. But really, what you can do is you can adjust it to any pitch you want. If you want, you know, a 12/12 pitch, you just highlight that thing, hit a 12, boom, you have a really steep roof. It's going to take a second to figure it out, but once it does, it's going to shoot it up really tall. In a second here, you can see it's trying to think. There we go. So you have that steep roof on there, pretty steep. You want a shallow roof? That's fine too. Let's do a 2. Just type in 2, enter. Automatically does a 2/12. Boom, pretty almost flat roof, but anyway, that's what you do. So that's a pretty simple way. You can see on here it's got the asphalt shingles on there, which are kind of nice to have to make it look better. But that is, I'm gonna go back and just adjust it again. Put it to 5. Maybe 5 is a good number here. Boom, you got that there. And yeah, so you got yourself a roof on there. You got some nice overhangs. You got a good looking roof there. So easy, no problem. That's pretty much all I have for this video. I'll see you at the next one. Talk to you later.